And this question it is given that a bucket full of hot water cools from 75 degrees Celsius to 70 degrees Celsius in time t1, and from 70 to 65 in time t2, and 65 to 60 in time t3. Then our aim is to find out the relation between their time. So we know that according to Newton's law of cooling, the rate of cooling is keep on decreasing with respect to decrease in temperature difference. So first part it is changing from 75 to 70, then 70 to 65. Then the time taken for that 75 to 70 is represented by nothing but t1, and 70 to 65 it is represented by t2. Then 65 to 60 it is represented by t3. So we know that initially the temperature difference between object and surrounding is more. So rate of cooling is in a higher rate, or cooling is in a higher rate. So it will take less time. So we can say that T1 is less than that of T2. And again that it is going to take more time to change from 65 to 60. So we can try this as less than that of T3.